another beautiful day to do something. So B12 has been neglected for a while. It's so dirty and look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Imejaa vumbi everywhere. Even the back seats are not spared. Very dirty car. So let me do something about that. Acha niwaonyeshe nje. See part kama hii. It's so dirty and infused inside the paint. I'm going to give the B12 a clean wash and a quick bath and a polish and wax it. Just watch me do it. Kanaweza kuwa kameisha charger. Nilikatumia kitambo. Hii gari nimeiachilia ni chafu bwana. Oneni. Kamejaribu. Can I hold it up until it gets full? Let's see if I have enough muscle strength. It's not on the ground. It's about 10 liters. Yeah. I'm losing it. I'm losing the grip. I should have held it properly from the beginning. Almost full. Still holding. Come on. I'm losing it. I'm losing it. It's slipping. It went. Gari mzee imenikata. Sasa nataka kuwatolea our favorite machine, the gun. Kacha. Ai. Kumaanisha ilikuwa imeisha maji kabisa huko ndani. I want to try out this rubbing compound by Gladiator. Tunaiweka hapo. We forgot the battery. Acha reduce the speed to 1. If you compare this place with another place over here, you can notice it's more whiter here. Hapa imekuwa chafu. I'm just going to apply some water. Alafu kuja hapa, you see already inakuwa safi bin safi. So I'm just going to do that for the rest of the car. I'm just applying wax to seal the polished surface.